my Qlik Cloud app with section access. In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement section access in Qlik Cloud. Let's build this step by step. We have a sales table that contains our sales data. As you can see on the screen, after loading the data, I can see in the data model that my region column contains three distinct values, meaning we have three different regions. Alright, let's go back to the script and add our section access for this data. The goal of section access, as explained before, is to restrict data access by region, so whenever a user logs into the application, they'll see the data for the region assigned to their profile based on their email addresses. Before moving to the section access, I want to show you what I currently see, how many region value we have. We have several region value, and there's also one record with a null region. So before applying section access, we need to clean or transform that data to remove or replace the null values. I will be using the isNull function. Now let's move on to the section access table itself. This table should include the following columns: access, user email, omit, which is optional, and the reduction field, which is in our case is region. For example, the first line will be for the admin, the second for user 1, and so on, depending on how many users you have. And in general, we have an Excel file that contains all these informations, or an ID groups to assign these section rules. Make sure to include each user's email address correctly. Remember that in Qlik Sense Enterprise we used to rely on user ID, but in Qlik Cloud we now use user email only. And finally, for users who should have access to all data, we use a star as the origin value, like the admin profile, for example, or other users. It depends on the case and the need. Now I've added my section application and also a trace line to insert a comment in my log script, which allows me to check if the section access is working properly or not. Finally, I drop the table section access and then we reload the script. We can see that we have an error message saying access was denied after reload. That means there's an issue in the script, and I can also see that the region, all the value are still visible, which means the section access is not active. And I realized that I misspelled the reduction column, writing division in place of region. I correct that, but I still have an issue. And as you can see that I forgot to write the email in uppercase, which is really important in section access. If the emails are not in uppercase, the section access won't work correctly. I'm now adding uppercase formatting for each column in the section access, the access, user email, omit, and the reduction column, which is region in our case. Once I do that and reload the script, the error message no longer appears. Section access is now active and I can see the region that I'm supposed to see. Whenever I want to add another region, I just add another line with the same credential and simply change the region name. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, don't forget to mention them in the comment below, and make sure to follow the channel so I can keep posting video and help more people learn Qlik.